The Wahl Shaver Kit 765 is designed to deliver a comfortable and smooth shave with its dual flexible foils that adapt to the contours of your face. This shaver features an impressive battery life, offering up to 120 minutes of use on a full charge, with a quick charge option for 5 minutes of power. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it a perfect choice for both home use and travel, featuring a travel lock to prevent accidental activation. Included in the kit are essential accessories like a foil guard, cleaning brush, power cord, and an instruction booklet to ensure a comprehensive shaving experience. Wahl's commitment to quality is evident in their range of clippers, trimmers, and shavers, catering to diverse grooming needs with both cordless and corded options. The powerful rotary motor of the Wahl Shaver Kit 7065 ensures efficient performance with nearly 10,000 cycles per minute, delivering a strong yet normal hum during operation.